How to log into Victoria Secret Mastercard. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into Victoria Secret Mastercard. Login in Victoria Secret Mastercard is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit Victoria Secret Mastercard. Type Victoria Secret Mastercard, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on the first link, it will take you directly to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter a username and your password. Input the username associated with your Victoria Secret Mastercard in the designated field. Then enter the password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password or username, click on Forgot your password or username. And if you don't have an account yet, click on Register now. Click on Sign in. After entering your credential, click on the Sign in button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.